Well, that put an end to the plane project for now. I guess I'll just have to buy another frame, you know. But here it is. Yeah, it's all in pieces. Fuselage got ripped there. Just, I don't know what happened. Like, I put into acro mode, then suddenly it starts like, it almost looks like it's stalled and rolled to the right. I barely missed a tree on the way down, and just nose into the ground, full on. I don't know. I mean, I guess only, it seems like the electronics should be fine. It's just that frame is toast. Yeah, like the whole motor ripped off right there. Yeah, it's bad. Airspeed sensor is right there. Electronics, again, fine. Oh shoot, where's the GPS? GPS came disconnected. Oh, it's right there. That's just for the airspeed sensor, that thing. Yeah, that really sucks. You know what it reminds me of? When Wesley Vardy had his crash. He was actually one of the ones who inspired me to get a plane, you know. And then he crashes, next thing you know, I crash. And like, they're both demolished. So, I don't know. We'll see where it goes from here.